Hey guys, so my church is setting up to have service outside for the month of August in the interest of safety and distancing and all of that. And I brought, as requested, I brought a bunch of fans, vintage fans, so I'll just show you that setup, as well as we got the organ here, 2 Leslies, 2 of these GEs, which are my favorite, just kind of utilitarian box fans. 2 Mobile Airs, that's my favorite one over there. I don't like that one quite as much, but then my favorite Air King's over there. I'm using this, which is not anything cool from a collectible standpoint, but these really work well. So, then they got that one, which somebody else brought. Haven't tested that one, but I'm sure it's pretty strong. But then there's these. The Air King, my childhood circulator. I'm gonna move this one a little closer now they put that chair there. So just thought I'd show you guys. There's the church building from the back. No fans in there, unfortunately. But one day. Okay, thanks for watching.